get some day trader talk from Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy. Always wonderful to have you with us, Mike. And what's your trade of the day?
I'm actually looking at PayPal, but it's more the reason that I'm looking at PayPal and in talking with day traders. So, you'll see sometimes, and we saw this earlier in the week, when kind of your big names like SPY and Q get kind of locked into a very tight range, and this usually happens after the first hour or so of trade. What I like to do is I have actual scans that I run, but things that are extended either way. So if we have the two major indices kind of locked, then you can kind of focus in on something that's kind of mispriced, and then you can kind of look into why it's moving the way that it is. And if there isn't, well, then that's an opportunity. And that's what I'm seeing in PayPal early in the week, that the moving average is really kind of locked down, and yet PayPal continues to trade. So you're always kind of looking for the thing that is moving outside of what everything else is doing. So I've been selling PayPal up in the in the 78 area, and then buying it back more in like the 76 area. It's a really nice back and forth trade. So that's kind of a lesson more in day trading, that oftentimes people say, well, the markets are sideways, but nothing's moving. That's not true. We also saw the same thing happen in BABA, where BABA is started to rocket up really for just kind of more of a follow through, but it can only go so far if the indices aren't moving along with it. And so play on that. So PayPal and BABA are interesting ones when the market isn't necessarily bullish, but names are acting bullish, and you kind of have a cap on the movement that you're going to see out of those type of names.
I like that tip. Find out what's moving in the market as a day trade. Thank you so much, Mike.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.